Hello, hi children, welcome to Nayak Academy. We are discussing NCERT as well as the CBSE class 10th mathematics chapters. So we have studied definition of circle, different parts of a circle, non-intersecting line, secant to the circle and tangent to the circle. With this concept, let us solve exercise problems. First question, how many tangents can a circle have? How many tangents can a circle have? What's the question, children? How many tangents you can draw in a circle? So what do you mean by tangent to a circle? So a straight line touches the circle at only one point is called tangent to the circle. PQ is tangent to the circle. Now the question is, how many tangents can a circle have? So I have drawn one tangent like this. If you want, you can draw one tangent like this, but it should touches the circle at only one point, children. So this is RS like that. So I can draw one tangent like this, isn't it? So you can draw tangent like this. So how many tangents you can draw in a circle? Answer is infinitely many tangents you can draw, children. So answer, so you can write down, children, answer infinitely many tangents you can draw in a circle. Or how many tangents can a circle have? Infinitely many tangents can a circle have. Second question, fill in the blanks. First, you can see that question, a tangent to a circle intersect it in how many points? Tangent to a circle. So this is a tangent, isn't it, children? So let me draw once again. So this is a tangent to a circle. Intersect to a circle it in how many points? Only 1 point. So what is the answer, children? So intersect it in only 1 point. So you have to remove that S, 1 point, and that point is called point of contact. Coming to the second question, a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called. So what is the question, children? A line intersecting a circle at 2 points is called secant to the circle. So what you should write, children, is called secant to the circle. Now third question, a circle can have dash parallel tangent at the most. A circle can have how many parallel tangent at the most? So here parallel tangents. So let me draw one parallel tangent like this. Got it? Another one is like this. So PQ is a one tangent, QRS is another tangent. So now you can write minimum 2 parallel tangents you can write, or infinitely many. So you can draw 2 parallel tangents like this, or you can draw like this, isn't it? So like that you can draw. So parallel, so this is a one parallel line, so you can draw another parallel line like this, like that. Minimum 2 parallel lines you can draw, maximum infinitely many parallel lines you can draw. So your answer is a circle can have 2 or infinitely many parallel tangent at the most. Fourth question, the common point tangent to a circle and the circle is point of contact, isn't it? The common point to the tangent to a circle and the circle is called point of contact. Coming to the third problem, a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So let me draw the circle, children. A circle of radius, it is 5 centimeter. The tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius is 5 centimeter. So this point is P and the tangent is PQ. This is the radius of a circle is how much? It is 5 centimeter is given. Meets a line through a center O at a point Q. From O and Q you have to join. So that OQ is equal to 12 centimeter. OQ value is 12 centimeter. Now we have to find out length of PQ. It's clear? Length of PQ we have to find out, children. So next session I am going to teach you one theorem. The radius drawn to the point of contact is always perpendicular to the tangent. In my next session I am going to teach children just first you should know that the radius drawn to the point of contact is always perpendicular to the tangent. So here OPQ is right angled triangle. Now if it is right angled triangle, you can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem says? The square on hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So you can write it as 5 square plus PQ square. So OQ square equal to OP square plus PQ square. You can write down using Pythagoras theorem. The square on hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. Now we have to find out PQ square value. So equal to 12 square minus 5 square. 12 square is 144 minus 5 square is 25 equal to PQ square. 144 minus 25, it is 119 equal to PQ square. So PQ value is root of 119. So what is the PQ value, children? The length of PQ is root of 119 centimeter. Coming to the fourth question, draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line such that one is tangent and the other one is secant to a circle. So you have to draw one circle, children, and you have to draw two lines parallel to a given line. So let me draw one given line. So anyway you can draw, children, horizontally also, vertically also you can draw anywhere. So one line you should draw. Now AB is a given line. We have to draw one tangent to the circle which is parallel to AB. So let me draw one line. It should touches the circle at only one point. So let me call this line as CD and it is a tangent. So this CD line is tangent to the circle. Means here the common point between tangent and the circle is 1. The line intersects the circle at only one point is called tangent to the circle. So now CD is parallel to AB. Now next what we have to do, children? So we have to draw secant to the circle. So there should be parallel to a given line. So let me draw secant. What do you mean by secant to the circle, children? A line which intersects the circle at 2 points. So this is secant to the circle. Let me call this as EF, which is parallel to AB, and EF line is secant to the circle. It intersects the circle at 2 distinct points. So now AB is a given line and CD is a tangent to the circle which is parallel to that given line, and EF is a secant to the circle and which is also parallel to a given line AB. EF is a secant and AB is a given line. With this problem, I will wind up the session. In my next session, let us learn two important theorems. Till then, keep practicing this definition and problems. Thank you.